Here is Final Consonant Blend LP. The blends each keep their own sound, but we blend them together in words. L says L, L, L. P says P, P, P. And when we blend them together, we have LP at the end of words. So let's see what words we can make with this. You ready to try? All right, let's tap and stretch. Help. Tap and stretch again. Help. Say it fast. Help. Say it fast. Help. Yeah, that's the word help. We all know that word, right? I need some help over here. Okay, ready? Tap and stretch. Gulp. Tap and stretch. Gulp. Say it fast. Gulp. Say it fast. Gulp. Yeah, don't gulp down your drink like that. You'll get the hiccups. Good job with Consonant Blend LP.